Good morning, my dear students. Myself Navneet Kaur and I am going to teach you English literature in your 7th class. And today let's start with your novel All Around the World in 80 Days. So we are going to do chapter 8 and 9 in this video. Chapter 8 the terror train and the chapter 9 the Sioux attack. So let us start with this. In first chapter number 8, there was a incident related to train and the bridge. So let us read. When Passepartout met with Fix on the deck of the General Grant is the name of ship. He shouted, "You again came here? Why you follow us everywhere? Wherever we reach, you reached there on that very particular place. Why you follow us?" He is in anger. But Fix explained that why he put sleeping powder in his tea, and Passepartout listened carefully and believed that detective was speaking the truth. Means on that very moment Fix wants to impress Passepartout that I'm not wrong, I'm right. I just want to arrest Fogg his misdeed. After that, it was a long journey. On 3rd December, they arrived at San Francisco harbor at 7 o'clock in the morning. Underline these important dates, the name of places, name of ships, and that very particular time on which the ships reached on that very particular place. You have to underline that thing, they come in your exams internally. So on the 4th day, the engineer saw a signalman beside the track waving to the train. Signalman waving that there is a danger, stop the train. When they stopped, they saw the bridge up ahead is a damage due to a strong storm last night. There was a bad thunderstorm one night before. So later the engineer had another idea. All give their views that we have to cross the bridge in fast speed. Some say that passengers come out from the train and engineer alone cross the bridge. So many type of ideas are given by the passengers, but at the end engineer had another idea that we have to going on a highest speed to cross the damaged bridge. The train began to move faster and faster, and it rushed across the bridge until the passengers felt as if they were flying. So too much speed is there so that all feel that they are flying. They all saved. Finally they saved, but immediately when the train crossed the bridge, what happens? You know? Yes, the train had traveled 1382 miles and Fogg was expected to reach New York on 11th December. Means when they saw at the back, the bridge is damaged. Immediately when train is crossed, they were speeding across vast snow-covered plains. After crossing that bridge, the train traveled 1300 and underline these also 1302 miles, and Fogg was expected to reach. Fogg expect that we have to reach on New York on 11th December. Underline these dates also. The next day, more trouble lay ahead as the train rumbled its way through the heart of America. Next day, day before, there was the trouble in crossing the damaged bridge, and second day there is another problem come in front of Fogg's way. When they are way through the heart of America, when they are going through the America, its a rhythm was suddenly broken by the war cries of a band of Indians. Means suddenly there was too much shouting, a band of Indian war cries, loud cries like that are there. People think that what happens? From where the cries come? Fogg looked out of carriage window. They saw them on galloping horses waving gun. When they saw out from the window, they saw so many people on the horses with their guns. They are shouting, look like they are robbers or thieves. The Indians surrounded the train. They all stand around the train. Some climbed onto the carriage rooms. Guns were fired, windows were smashed, and people screamed. But soon a large group of soldiers were galloping towards the carriages of rescuing passengers. But suddenly, from the front side, some soldiers are also coming to rescue the passengers of the train from the attack of Indians. So this is all in your chapter number 8 and 9. Read it carefully, internally read the content so that you will able to understand the internal questions which come from the content. So let us move to the homework. In your chapter number 8, there are some question answers also which have you can do it yourself like this. Read the chapter, match the characters to the event and when they are happened. Means 3 things are given, who, did what and when you have to match. For example, one is the train conductor. You have to match it with 3 train conductor explained the dangerous situation to the passengers and then match with B before the train crossed the bridge. Now question answer, what does Fogg mean when he says, well, that it was a close shave? He wants to say that we are crossed the bridge on the second time, means just on the moment only, at the last end they crossed the, means immediately they crossed the bridge, now immediately the bridge is badly damaged. So next question, which idea do you think was the best in order to cross? Means to cross the bridge by fast speed, that is the better idea. And next question, you can do it yourself. Do you have any attend any voting, like for example you do voting for your class monitor held by your class teacher? Next is a language practice in which you have to explain the incident of bridge where you were, means your own experience if you have like that, which Fogg and Passepartout and other passengers faced. And in chapter 9 there are comprehension questions. Who attacked the train? Who attacked the train? Indians, yes. And why did Passepartout go under the train? To reach engine room in order to stop the train. Third question, who was missing? Frenchman Passepartout was missing. And what did Fogg offer the soldiers? 1,000 pounds. And when did Fogg and others return? Next morning. So these are the question answers. Language practice, you have to circle the odd word, means bullet, gun, shoot and endless. Endless not match with that. Bullet, gun and shooter come under the same category. And in next part, there was some words, some questions, you have to read them and frame story as your own. So this is all in your chapter 8 and 9. Thank you.